Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 12 from 2023, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and then let's scroll to find the sound and vibration. Here let's scroll down to find this ringtone section, and as you can see we can change the ringtone for first and the second SIM card, which simply means that we can differentiate between those and set totally different ringtone for the first and the second one. So let me show you how to do it using the first one. For example, after tapping on it we will be transferred to this list of defaultly installed ringtones from which we can choose. At the top of this list we've got the option None, which simply means that after picking it, your device will not use any kind of sound, any kind of ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. And on the other hand, at the very bottom of this list we've got Add Ringtone, which simply means that we can tap on it and we will enter our own files. So if you will have any, for example, downloaded, and if they will be compatible, then you will be able to find them somewhere here in some folders and set them as a ringtone. However, I will pick something from the default options, and if you want to listen how the particular ringtone sound, simply tap on it. Alright, and let me maybe volume it down a little bit. And basically this is how it works. And if you will decide for the ringtone, so if you decide that you like this one, make sure that it is marked and go back. And basically, as you can see, it will be immediately applied, which simply means that right now your device will use the chosen ringtone. So basically that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your INFINIX Note 12 from 2023. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.